Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when the Wi-Fi option is not showing in our settings on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So without further ado, let's get started. The very first thing we need to do is to go to our services. So please go to your Windows search tab and type their services. And under best match you will see their services option, so please click on that, and we will now be able to see the services window. So here, select one service and then go to your keyboard, type their W. So this will bring us to the W section. Here we need to look for WLAN autofig, this one. So once you found WLAN autofig, just please make a right click on it and then go to properties. And here in the general tab, you will see the startup type. So please make sure that this startup type is set to automatic instead of any other choices. But if you see that this is not in automatic, all you need to do is just click this drop down button here, and then you can select the automatic option. And once selected, you can now click on apply and then click on OK. And after doing that, just make a quick restart with your device. So in this manner, you are enabling the Wi-Fi services in your device. And if it still doesn't work, then let's do the second process. So let us go to your device manager. Please make a right click in your Windows icon and then go to device manager options. Okay, so once you see this device manager window coming up on your screen, all you need to do is just go to network adapters option, this one, and then to expand this one, just make a click on this arrow here, and all we need to do is to look for the wireless option, any option that says wireless, and if you found one, regardless of the type, I have here MediaTek. So if you found the wireless option, all you need to do is just make a right click on it and then click on the update driver option. And here we need to, or we will be asked, how do you want to search for drivers? So just please click on the first option that says search automatically for drivers and then click on that. And when it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then you're good to go. And see if it's already working. So if it's still not working, then just make a right click on it again and then click on disable. And after disabling, just go back to this window and then make a right click on it again and then just enable the device. Okay, and then see if your Wi-Fi icon is activated or has internet access. Okay, and after doing that, or in case that it hasn't been working or it's still not working, then all we need to do is just go with another option, which is to update it using the second option. So make a right click again and then go to properties. Make a right click again and go to update driver, and instead of choosing the first one, let us choose the second one that says browse my computer for drivers. So please click on that, and then here we need to choose this let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer option. So please click on that, and you will now be selecting the model that you want to be installed as the for your driver, as an update for your driver. So please click any of the model that you see. You can choose the latest one or this one. This is the latest. So just choose whichever you want, and then once you have now chosen, please click on next. And after doing that, if you see that this is not effective or if it's still not working, then you can try the other options and try all drivers one by one. And after doing that, just make a quick restart with your device and see if it's already working. Okay, so let me just close this one. Another thing is to open the run window. So we can open that by making a pressing Windows R key here in the keyboard, or you can also make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go to run options. So once this run window is up on our screen, all we need to do here is type msconfig, and once you're done typing, just click enter or OK. After doing that, you will see here the general boot, the boot tab, the Services tab, the Startup tab, and the Tools. So let's go to the Services tab, and in here we will see all the services that we have enabled. As you can see here, all the services are enabled. That's why this enable all option here is grayed out. So if you see that you don't, or if you see that there are services that are not still enabled, then just click this enable all option here, because you might have disabled all the Wi-Fi services accidentally. So just click this enable all button, and then once you done that, just click on apply and then click on OK, and this will enable all essential Microsoft and Intel services in your device. Okay, so after doing this option or step, just make a quick restart with your device and then you're good to go. So if you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.